In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. We're going to move from a simple Google search to creating a brand new Webflow project, and then jump straight into Webflow's AI site builder so you can kickstart a website in minutes. I'll keep it clear and straightforward, and I'll add a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your favorite web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Webflow. The official result should appear right at the top. Click the result that leads to webflow.com. A quick tip here. Make sure you're on the official site by checking the URL and looking for the secure lock icon in the address bar. If you're already signed in, you'll likely land on your dashboard. If not, you may be prompted to log in before you can proceed. Once you're in Webflow, go to your dashboard. This is the home base where all your sites and workspaces are listed. Look for the button labeled New Site. It's typically prominent on the page, often in the upper area. Clicking New Site is your starting point for creating a fresh project. If you work across multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one before you start, so your project ends up exactly where you want it. If you don't see the button right away, try resizing your browser window or scrolling. The dashboard can adapt based on your screen size. After clicking New Site, you'll see options for how you want to begin. Choose the AI Site Builder. This option is designed to help you build websites with AI, guiding you through a series of prompts so you can generate a tailored starting point without beginning from a blank canvas. Here's a quick tip to get better results. Think about your site's purpose before you start. For example, is it a portfolio, a small business site, or a blog? Jot down your ideal pages, your brand tone, and any must-have sections like a hero, services, testimonials, or contact. Clear, specific descriptions help the AI propose stronger layouts and initial copy. From here, follow the on-screen guidance to describe the kind of site you want. You can always refine the result later in the Webflow designer, adjust styles, swap images, or edit text to match your brand. The AI flow is a jumpstart, not a limitation. And that's it. You searched for Webflow on Google, opened your dashboard, and clicked New Site. Then selected the AI Site Builder to begin creating a website with guided prompts. Save your work, preview as you go, and you'll be well on your way to a polished site.